Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to upscale low-quality images into 4K quality image for free in 2025. Go to your browser and go to this link below in description. Click download to install the software. I am already download and install the software. Open the software. Select the settings you want to. Select image you want to upscale. See the image resolution low quality I want to upscale it. Click Upscale. See image upscale successfully. See here the before and after look of image. You can also batch upscale. Turn on batch upscale. Now select the folder. Click Upscale. See its batch image upscale successfully. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.